5-gallon bucket challenge for 2026 Creative Redundancy, the one known as CR. So before I show you guys the results, or at least what it is right now, there's something I've been trying out. I'm adapting the hay box cooker idea, old school method, in a new different kind of way. So instead of using hay, I'm using grass clippings like this right here. And you're probably like, why are you doing this, CR? It's to hold the heat in. Because this container, which isn't a 5-gallon bucket, but it is smaller, and like I said in the previous video on the start of this, the concept will still be very similar, just a smaller size. And this is about 2 weeks later. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. You can see that one right there. Pretty sure that looks like a tomato. Yeah. Oh, and look at that one right there. Look at that. It sprouted. And here's the third one right there. So 1, 2, and 3. Now, we'll see which one grows better. I'll probably thin it out. I'll probably take out this one unless it grows and catches up, whatever, right? We'll see how this all turns out. And yes, there's some grass clippings in here. Hold in the heat. Now, honestly, if it's really sunny out, I'll just put the container out itself, right? And let this warm up too. Because I have not put this container right here into a warmer environment, like under grow lights, or let's just say inside, for example, right? This has been sitting outside or in a sheltered, non-heated environment. Let's just say like a shed, garage, whatever, overnight, right? So this is what I'm doing. And this is the box. And this is the lid that I'm using. Alright. Oh, by the way, everyone, this is after seeing it go through 0 Celsius, 32 Fahrenheit for one night for about an hour. It was away from it, but hopefully this helps. And like always, everyone, remember,
as our world changes, we can adapt too. Skill and knowledge get better with practice. Can't help everyone, but one can help someone.